Go.
Hi, I'm making shrimp and noodles for lunch. So I'm just cooking my shrimp now. I had to peel the skins off the shrimp. You get the ones that without the skins. And you cook it in butter. I put 2.5 tablespoons of butter. And I did my noodles already. I boiled them. They're drained. These are the kind of noodles you use, or spaghetti, or you could use regular noodles if you want. And then these are my sauces I'm putting in. So I'm just have it on low here. You don't want them to burn. So now they're getting nice and pink. So I start adding white pepper, a little dash, garlic powder, just a sprinkle. That's probably about a teaspoon. And I have parsley. That's probably about a teaspoon and a half. So I just mix it all up. So once it's all soaked into the shrimp, then you add your sauces. Turn it up a little bit. So I need my tablespoon. This is oyster sauce. It's 1. 2. And this is my sesame oil. 1. And I'm putting a half. There we go. Turn it down again. I want it to burn. These don't take long. If you overcook them, they'll be hard to eat. You want them nice and soft. So when that's all mixed in, then you put your spaghetti in. Okay. There's a lot of sauce in here, so it'll mix up good with the spaghetti. Some people like their spaghetti separated, but I like mine in the sauce with the mushrooms. I mean the mushrooms. Thinking of mushrooms here. The shrimp. So you just add it in there. And just like rub the bottom of it and then just pull it up like that. This is a really good dish, by the way. And then when I find there's no more butter in the bottom or the sauce, we just add a little extra in there, just to get that in there. And I turn it down. I don't have it. I put it on 3. So just about a tablespoon.
Butter.
Of butter, yes. So it's just going to simmer for a little bit. One more sauce. One more sauce. Okay.
That's good like that.
You sure? Okay. And another thing, if you think it's, like for you, it might be too, it's not dry, but it's just right. Like it's not really soaking with butter. But if you like a lot of butter, you can add a little bit more butter. to your taste. And don't forget the salt. You just add a little bit. Probably, I don't know, half a teaspoon maybe. You just go by your taste.
So the more sauce you want, you just up the ingredients.
Yep. So if you want more sauce, like I said, you could just up the ingredients. What you have here, you could just add extra, like a tablespoon or whatever. But this is like really good. You don't want it soaking. Your noodles will get all soggy. So
Okay.
this, yep, and it's done. Like it doesn't take long. But this is a good dish. You gotta try it. So.
Thank you.
You could use the unpeeled shrimp. This shrimp here, I had to peel it. Like I don't know if you can see, but this is the shrimp. I had to peel them, but they're really good. So follow and share and like. Thank you.